Okay, ma'am, napaka-noble ng ginawa mo. It's really a help to our animals, especially the stray cats, because nobody take good care of them. And what you did, Mother Teresa of Calcutta. Do you know Mother Teresa of Calcutta? Okay. So, what is the purpose, ma'am? Why is it that you feed those cats na hindi naman pagmamayari mo? Yeah, sometimes no, nasasaktan din ako pag may mga pets ka, tapos mapabayaan mo, they're just going to leave it alone. May I know your name, ma'am? Kahit first name lang. Ako nga pala si Bernadine, mula sa BBL Channel TV. Natuwa lang po ako sa iyo dahil ang ganda ng purpose, at the same time your goal of taking good care of our stray cats. Bihira lang po ang taong merong ganung puso. Well, I know one from Katipunan also. She feeds all those cats on the streets. So malapit talaga yung loob mo sa cats, ma'am. So do you have also your pets? May mga pet ka naman, pet sa bahay niyo. I see. So ano nga ulit first name mo, ma'am? So yeah, this is actually Ma'am Apple. I just met her somewhere, and I was so very glad and surprised, because feeding stray cats on the street is not an easy job because there are a lot of stray cats in the Philippines. And ma'am, congratulations for your very noble, and you will be blessed of what you are doing. And I hope you will continuously, and other people will be inspired of what you are doing right now. Thank you, and once again, good evening po.